Alright guys, welcome back to FinishLine Industries. I'm Mike. This week, for Horsepower Friday, we've got a 1990 Acura Integra. It was traded into the dealership yesterday. It is a straight LS car, no VTEC. It looked like the car had sat for a couple years, so we went through and made some modifications and changes in the tune. No VTEC, keep that in mind. So have a look and listen. We'll see what horsepower it made. Alright guys, remember if you want to play, make sure you drop your comments in the section below. The prizes include a free t-shirt, $50 gift card, or an entry to our GTO giveaway that will probably be announced in the next week or two. You have to be 16 years or older and you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you leave your comments on YouTube, not on Facebook. Last week we had Jeff Boyd's Mustang on the dyno. Let's take a look and see how much power it made.
Dang!
Alright, it looks like that car made 1,531 horsepower. Brandon Dale, you're the winner of your guess of 1,559. I know you're local, so go ahead and shoot me a text and we'll get you your winnings. Might have lost third gear.
What?
I didn't stop the burnout. That's what your transmission did. Yeah. When I let it out and hit it, it was neutral.